In this video, we're going to look at the multimedia blog videos and adding videos to your blog post. Adding videos is easy when you use our multimedia blog. So we'll cover how to add videos to your posts, how to find the video link from YouTube, adding multiple videos, and the video previews and the player. So if we go to the dashboard and back into the blog tab, you can see here's our blog post that we've already created. And we're going to look at this one that we've got started here already. So we'll click the edit link right next to it, and it'll open up our editor window. And you can see this is all we've got going on here in the editor. Here's the link to the YouTube video. Now if I scroll on down, I want to show you this is the same blog post editor window that we've seen in the other videos about the photos. It's just that here we don't have any photos added. Now we can add photos here and still have the same capabilities with the videos, but in this case we haven't done that, so there's nothing there. But you can mix and match the photos and the videos in the same post. But the videos are edited right here in the text window. And so to make the video show up, all you do is just paste the link to the YouTube video right there. There's no HTML to edit or anything like that. And this is what happens. Here's our blog page, and it automatically pulls the image from YouTube. This is a preview image of that video. So it automatically pulls that in. You don't have to go out and find that. And then this is what the actual blog post page looks like. So you can see here's our text, and it says here's a video, and here's this large preview of the video. So if we go back and look at what we did to create that, all we did is we just put in that link there, and it automatically does all this for us. Now I can click this image here, and it'll pop up a window with a player just like this, and I've paused it, but it automatically starts playing. As soon as you click that, it just starts playing. It grays out the background. And so that's basically what it looks like. Now to get that link that we put in here, what you would need to do is go over to YouTube. And so the second thing I want to do is show you how to find the video link from YouTube. So if we go over to a YouTube page, if you scroll down below the video that you're wanting to share, this could either be a video that you created or somebody else's video. As long as they allow sharing, then you can click on the share tab here, and all you need is this right here. So we would just copy that, and then we would go back to our editor, and we would put a return and just paste that down in there. And then we could even go get another one. And we would copy that one and paste it in there. And so, and that's all we would have to do. Now we'll go ahead and save this. And while we're saving it, I want to show you the alternative to this is what other blog software does is you have to use this embed code, which is HTML code, and you know, it's not hard to copy and paste this, but whenever you paste this, you can't actually paste it into the window with all the buttons. You have to paste it into an HTML window, and a lot of times that can create problems for people, because what you would have to do is paste that into, I'll show you, you'd have to paste it into the window that has all of the HTML code, and if you didn't paste it in just the right spot, then it could create some problems. And so when we go back into the editor here, if you click source, you can see there's not a lot of crazy HTML going on here, but depending on your page, if you had photos and all that, you'd have to actually find the place to put that, and it could look a lot more complicated than this, and there's a great chance that you could mess it up. You can see there's really not that much going on here, so it's not that hard, but as your pages get more and more complex, it can be problematic to work with the HTML code like that. So we've just created this nice simple way to do it just by copying the link and pasting it in here like this. Now if we go over to our page here, and we'll just reload this now that we've saved it, and we'll have a couple more videos show up underneath this one. So if we scroll on down, there's our first one, and there's our second one. We'll scroll down, there's the third one. And so each one of these, it automatically pulls in the image, and if I go to the editor, if I took this and moved this up to the top, make sure I get this in the right spot, and I put the video, you could copy and paste it or whatever. If you change the sorting around, then it will also update this image, which whatever the topmost video you've got on your list there, it would put that as the image here. So it's pretty powerful. And the previews in the player, the main thing to point out about the previews is that it automatically pulls in the preview image that YouTube creates for the video, and that the player, when it pops up, it starts playing immediately, and then you can just click and close that back out, and then it goes back to your page. So we looked at how to add videos to your post, how to find the video link on YouTube, adding multiple videos, and the previews and the player. And this is the second feature that we've looked at for the multimedia blog, and there's even a lot more great features that we'll cover in some other videos.